Mama, even though you're gone, your voice still lives inside me. PNG Pickaninny still cry long you. I still remember morning light, you waking me before sunrise, boiling tea, long fire outside. Smile belong, you made everything right. You carried burdens all alone, yet somehow made our house a home. Now the silence hurts so deep, me cry time everybody sleep. And every road I walk today was built by hands now gone away. Mama, hear me from the sky, your son's still trying not to cry. Mama, belong me, why you had to go so soon? House and me cold now without your love, underneath this lonely moon. Mama, belong me, I still feel your spirit near. Every Sunday prayer, Miss, I will hear your voice saying, Pickaninny, no can fret. Oh, Mama, rest now in God's eternal light. One day by me, looking you again, where angels sing all through the night. Oh, Mary blouse still hanging there, your Bible sitting by the chair. Sometimes the wind blows through the door, feels like you're walking on the floor. Village sings, but I feel pain. Rain keeps falling like my tears again. You taught me faith when times were hard, now heaven holds my strongest guard. And if heaven has a river, Mama, wait for me someday. I'll come singing all your favorite songs, and pain will fade away. No more sickness, no more crying, only peace beyond the clouds. Mama, hear your children calling, we still make you proud. Mama, belong me, your love will never truly die. Every heartbeat carries your name as years keep passing by. Mama, belong me, PNG hearts will understand. There's no stronger love on earth than a mother's gentle hand. Oh, Mama, sleep peacefully beside the Lord until we meet again someday in heaven.